to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about like varnishing your work. Essentially, how you finish your work says as much about the whole piece as what you did originally anyway. So making sure that you have a really clean, professional, concise way that everything is finished off is really, really important. And it's been one of the areas that I kind of like, I kind of wax in and out of whether I care about it, you know, enough or not. And I'm someone who prefers shiny things. I like them shiny, I like them glossy, all this kind of stuff. Now granted, we do have plenty of different kinds of varnish that will give you a nice glossy finish. We also have ones that are matte, we also have ones that are satin. We have varnishes for days. But if you're looking to get a finish that looks like it's encased in glass, that it is super, super shiny, then I can't say enough about resin. We do have a clear cast resin from Alumilite. Sell it in several different sizes. This is fun. It's kind of like a 2-part mixture. I mix it with like a popsicle stick and stuff like this. And I've found that it adds a lot of depth and clarity to your work when you just pour a simple coating of this on there. Now, once you mix up the 2 parts, it gets a little cloudy for about a minute, minute and a half, and then you'll see it clear up, and then it's ready to actually pour. You know, you've seen me do some pouring before. Again, put it in a like Rubbermaid lid and then have it stand on something. Like I use a little teeny styrofoam picnic bowl underneath, so it's sitting off of the surface. But you can actually just pour this right on top. Use that popsicle stick to make sure that it goes over the edges evenly and stuff like this, but you get a perfect glass finish. It is gorgeous. And this one, actually, I put just a couple of drops of golden iridescent gold fine liquid in there, and it's just got a little teeny bit of sheen to it, and I absolutely love it. So if you haven't tried varnishing with resin before, you gotta do it. It's so pretty. You're gonna love it. It's super fun. What I can tell you is that from the time that you pour it, it's about 4 hours until it gets tacky dry, and about 24 hours before it's like ready to pick up or move or anything like that. But it's fun, it's beautiful, really inexpensive, and it looks great. So if you haven't tried before, try varnishing with resin. We're pretty sure you're going to enjoy.